Hi, in this video I'll show you how to put a password on your hidden photo album in iPhone. So as you can see right now, I'm in my Photos app and here we can see the hidden album currently is unlocked. So anyone will be able to easily view my hidden album. So right now I'll show you how to easily put a password on this hidden photo album. First of all, go to your iPhone settings app and now here scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on apps, and here scroll down and search for photos. Just tap on photos and here you will find this huge Face ID. So Face ID is required to view the hidden and recently deleted albums. Just enable this option and now make sure to set up your Face ID. So go to your iPhone settings app homepage and here just tap on Face ID and passcode and set up your Face ID. And then I'm going to opening my Photos app and scrolling down, and under utilities here we can see the hidden album is currently locked. So to open this hidden album, I have to verify my Face ID. So this is how we can put a password or lock hidden album in Photos app. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.